Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to SFTP on VPS using WinSCP step by step clearly. Open your WinSCP application. In the WinSCP login window, select New Site from the left panel. Choose SFTP from the drop-down menu of File Protocols. In the hostname field, enter your VPS server's IP address. Input your VPS username in the username field. Type your password in the password field. If you prefer to use a private key, click on Advanced and navigate to the SSH section. Select the authentication option to browse for your private key file. If you want to save your login details for future sessions, click on Save in the login window. You can name this session for easy reference. Click the Login button to establish a connection to your VPS. If prompted with a security alert regarding the host key, click Yes to continue. You will now be connected to your VPS via SFTP. The left panel will show local files on your computer. The right panel will display files on your VPS server. You can now drag and drop files between your local system and the server. To disconnect, simply close the WinSCP application. You have successfully connected to SFTP on your VPS using WinSCP. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.